Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Easy Accounting Channel. Today we are talking about payroll. What is payroll program account? So payroll program account is an account assigned to either an employer, a trustee, or payer of other amounts related to employment to identify you with CRA, Canada Revenue Agency. So CRA will give you 15 character payroll program accounts that contain the 9-digit business number, your BN, and 2-letter code for the type of program, and 4-digit reference number to identify each account in a program a business may have. Example, a company requires a GST, an import or export. So 2 payroll program accounts. So the account number will be account number, the BM number, business number, and GST program accounts, then the import and export program account, then the payroll accounts. So how to open a payroll account? And when do you have to open a payroll account? You have to register for payroll program accounts before the first remittance due date. Your first remittance due date is the 15th day of the month following the month in which you began withholding deduction from your employee pay. For example, if you hire an employee on March 11, you pay him bi-weekly. The first pay is on the 25th of that month. Therefore, your first remittance due date will be April 15. For example, you hire an employee on March 11 and you pay him bi-weekly. The first pay is on 25. Therefore, your first remittance to CRA will be April 15. Or you hire an employee on March 25 and you pay that employee on April 3rd. Your first remittance due date will be May 15. So what do you need before you start? You must have the following information to open a payroll program account: dates employee received their first wages, month cover for payroll of employee wages, type of any pay period, number of employee, payroll service number, and the country of the parent company, and also the name of the franchise and the country of the franchise. So let's talk about pay source deduction. Let's talk about the overview. So when you pay remuneration, such as wages, to your employee or salaries, you have to take some deduction from that amount. And you have to remit that deduction to CRA, Canada Revenue Agency. Deduction include CPP, Canada Pension Plan Contribution, EI, Employee Insurance Premium, and the tax, the federal, the province, and the territory taxes. If you are in Quebec, you have specific source deduction. So what to report? What happens if you do not remit your source document? So if you do not remit your source deduction, an employer share of CPP and EI as required, CRA will take action against you. So it's good that you remit all the deduction to CRA. The due dates for this deduction are the following: quarterly. Remittance frequently is quarterly. Then remitting period will be January to March 31st, April to June 30, July to September 30, and October to December 31st. The remittance due date for the quarterly will be April 15, July 15, October 15, and January 15. If it's regular deduction, the due dates are monthly, and you have to follow the calendar month, and it will be 15th day of the next month. So if you want to make payments, what you need a payroll account. So you go to CRA and open a payroll account. Which day are you remitting? Your remitting period, end date, your gross payroll in remittance, and the number of employee you paid on the last payment in the remitting period. You can remit by mail. So if you have two accelerated remittance, you must remit either electronic or at the bank, Canadian financial institution. And you can confirm your payment by view it online, either through my business account or through you represent a client. And if you paid by mail, you can see it, including payment by CRA on the statement of account and remittance voucher. So let's explain some of the terms used in this payroll. Recipients mean an employee or a former employee or a retiree or non-resident individual or an EI benefit recipient. Remuneration means salary, wages, commissions, taxable benefits, pension income. And remittance mean deduction you have to withhold that you have to pay to CRA. Those are the CPP, Canada Pension Plan, EI, employment insurance, and other taxes. Trustee, a trustee includes a liquidator, a receiver, trustee in bankruptcy, an assignee, an executor, and an administrator. Employer means somebody that pay you your salary, your wages, your vacation pay, your bonuses, and also the intent of writing contract might mean that an individual is self-employed. So it's good to know whether you are self-employed or you are an employee. Thank you for coming to my channel. I hope to see you in my next video. Please subscribe to my channel and share my video. Thank you. Bye.